Welcome to another class with me, Ming. Today we talk about definite integral. That is, we are considering function like this. That is, the integration, this is read as integrate f of x from a to b with respect to x. And the process is capital F of x. Capital F of x is the integral, indefinite integral of f of x, and we then put in b into f of b minus f of a. This is the process. If you want to think of it in terms of graphically, you can think of this as the area underneath the curve above the x-axis as shown here. Okay, as shown here. And here's A, here's my B, and this is my function f, and this area here is this indefinite integral, that is ab f of x dx. Right, so let's look at an example. Now we want to look at this question. This is my function 3x squared minus x, and first of all I'm going to take the derivative of this. We're going to integrate this with respect to x, so it's going to be x cubed 3 divided by 3 minus x squared over 2 plus c. But really the plus c is not needed at this stage because plus c, after you do the substitution and then you minus it, that means the c and c cancel out. So we don't need to write the c. So this is definite integral from 0 to 2. So now I do the substitution, that is 2 cubed minus 2 squared over 2 minus 0 cubed, and then this is minus 0 squared. This part is basically 0, so I have 8 minus 4 over 2, so the answer is 8 minus 2, which is 6. That's it, the answer is 6. Now, we look at the next question. The next question is this. This is my function, and it goes from 3 to -1. So the lower boundary doesn't have to be smaller than the upper boundary. The lower boundary can actually be a number larger than the upper boundary. So this is okay, and we just apply the process as it is. So what we're going to do is that we're going to integrate this, so e to the power of 2x divided by 2 minus x squared divided by 2, and then bracket, and then from 3 to -1. So, and then now we put in the substitution, e to the power of 2 times -1 over 2 minus -1, everything squared over 2 minus a big bracket, e to the power of 2 times 3 over 2 minus 3 squared over 2. Alright, and we extend this slightly. So the answer to this is with e to the power of -2 over 2. This is minus half minus e to the power of 6 over 2, and then plus 9 over 2. So the answer to this is half, and then e to the power of -half minus e to the power of 6, and then plus 9 over 2 minus half is 8 over 2, which is 4. So here is the answer. Now next thing, let's now consider a question like this, question number 3, and this is GDC allowed. So when you're given a question like this, if GDC is allowed, so we use our calculator. We switch on the calculator. Now we go to press math, this button math, and then we go up until we find 9, fn integrate. And then in fn integrate, we put in the function first. So in this case, it's x, e, raised to the power of bracket sine x. So sine x, bracket, and then with comma, with respect to x, so I put x now, comma, and then the lower boundary in this case is 1.2, comma, the upper boundary is 2.5, comma, and then close bracket. And now we have to make sure that our mode is in radian. So here is radian. So enter, and now click that, and now we can put enter and let it calculate. So here we have the answer, which is roughly 5.81 to 3SF. So here's the answer. Using the calculator is very easy in this case. Thank you.